Hi, my name is Stacy Hocking and I am a Senior Facilities Manager at Womble Bond Dickinson. I oversee our Bristol, London, Plymouth and Southampton offices. I think that the environment and sustainability are integral to everything that we do at Womble Bond Dickinson. The facilities management team is responsible for ensuring the improvement or the continuous improvement of our environmental management systems. And this covers everything from our property strategy discussions between the board and our director of facilities. So agreeing that we have the right amount of space for our needs. It also extends to how our facilities teams scan mail and print documents to minimise the paper usage. We also look to collaborate with other stakeholders. So we link in with our suppliers to try and reduce waste and packaging where we can. And we also have to link in at times with the managing agents of the building so that we can agree things like green energy tariffs and energy saving procedures. I've been in a really lucky position where I have been able to get involved in a lot of our refurbishment projects in the office. And one of the key recurring things is that environment and sustainability is always at the heart of those projects, and that's really important to the firm. Most recently, I was the project lead for the London office refurbishment, and on this project we managed to achieve an overall reduction in floor space of almost 30%, and that's really key because that helps us to reduce the energy consumption in those offices because there's less space to heat and cool and supply power to, for example. We reduced the office space, but we also still managed to ensure those quality workspaces and the breakout spaces for our staff, so we could ensure productivity and collaboration. And we also introduced a new wellbeing room and social space that they didn't previously have. So that helped us to really focus on the staff wellbeing there. So in addition, we've also focused heavily on the sustainable options, including choice of furniture and suppliers. We chose to refurbish some of the furniture where we could for use across the estate. We've also upgraded to LED lighting, as our London office was the only office that still had fluorescent lighting around the office. And finally, we worked with our IT teams to ensure the improved IT and video conferencing facilities to better support those hybrid meetings and to reduce the travel requirements inter-office. I think it's really important to the firm, mainly because we believe in doing the right thing and giving back to our communities, which is now an expectation of both our employees and our clients. It's no longer nice to have, it's a need to have. And I think these efforts also have that added benefit of improving productivity, where we have those great workspaces. And obviously that's crucial in the legal sector. And the added financial benefit of reducing the overall cost of our space. But right at the centre is making sure that we do the right thing so that we keep the really talented people that we have in the firm and our great clients.